Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Wacom device. For example, I have a Wacom DTU-1031, and now I'm gonna show you how to connect this Wacom device to your Windows device, how to download the drivers, and how to make that your pen will work with your Windows 10. So basically, it's very easy to do, but first, of course, you need to understand how it works. So firstly, you need to understand that this device is a multiple device. So here you have the display, and your PC will see the display like one device, like first device, and the pen tablet, Windows will see like a second device. So we have two devices in one, okay? And it creates resolve for the display pen tablet, but it creates problems, it produces problems with drivers. So firstly, now in 2023, you need to know that we have no drivers for Windows 10 or Windows 11. We have drivers only for Windows 7. And to install the driver for this Wacom device, firstly you need to enable the test mode on your Windows device. So enable test mode, install the drivers, reboot the device in the normal mode, and it will work normal, okay? So first you need to enable test mode, then, so as you can see, now I'll show you. As you can see, I'm in the test mode. If you are in the test mode, you will see the test mode text here. So I'm, as you can see, in the test mode, but if you don't, you need to enable the test mode. It's very easy to do, but you can watch our video about how to enable test mode on Windows device if you don't know how to do it. And great, how to download the driver. So first we need to find Wacom drivers website, find it, click on the first link in the Google. Here choose pen displays, and yes, it's very important to do. So you can't install the first best latest driver for Windows 7, 8, 10 and 11. You can't do it because new driver, so 642, will not work with this old graphic tablet, okay? So you need to find 6413. So to find it, first choose pen displays, then choose select product, scroll down and find your model here. So if you have the DTU-1031, choose it. If you have 1031X, choose it. I have 1031 without X. And here you will see the driver. So download this Windows driver, click confirm download and install it. Of course, when you are in the test mode, because in normal mode you can't install old drivers. So you don't need to disable the antivirus, your Windows dependent. You don't need to do it, just enable the test mode. Great. Afterwards, you can find the problem that you can't install the driver if you have the newest driver. If you have new driver, you can't install the older driver. So to uninstall the old driver, so old new driver from your device, you need to do it only using the Microsoft uninstaller. So open settings, apps, find your Wacom tablet, not the Wacom Center, no. Find the Wacom tablet, click uninstall, you will see the Wacom Center uninstaller and click yes. Reboot your device. Don't forget about rebooting device, you need to do it at every step that asks about rebooting. And great, then install the drivers, and after you will install the drivers. So to install drivers, you just need to open this driver installation installer and click next. This way you will install the driver. Then you need to have doubled mini USB cable. As you can see here, we have the doubled device, and This tablet was created at times when people used mini USB, and in this time people doesn't have the USB 3.2. So it means that they have used 2.0, and it means that this USB port can't provide too much power to use it. So now we need to use the doubled cable. So connect both of them to the PC. You don't need to connect one of them to the power source like a power adapter. No, you need to connect both of them to the PC. Then connect it to your tablet, and as you can see, now I have the troubles. Oh, okay, it's good. And as you can see, it works. It works right now, and let's check. Does the pen works? Yes, it works. As you can see, it works, and it's really great. And if you have noticed that the pen, so you don't have the pointer here, so the mouse, I don't know the name, cursor, if you don't see it, it means that you have troubles with the drivers and you need to reinstall it. Maybe you need to uninstall all Wacom drivers from your device, connect it without the drivers. Windows needs to install normal drivers, Windows drivers for the pen tablet, and then try to install Wacom Center. And now let's check the Wacom Center. Does we have something here? So let's find it. Wacom Center. And as you can see, here is the Wacom Center. Here we can step shortcuts only. And here we have pen settings. Here we have express key, these keys settings. Here we have display toggle settings and pen calibration. So great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.